In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Darktable. If you're preparing photos for the web, email, or a portfolio, resizing during export is the cleanest way to control file dimensions without altering your original image. Everything we'll do happens in the light table view, and the changes apply only to the exported copy. Start by making sure you're in light table. Select the photo or photos you want to export. You can work with a single image or highlight multiple at once if you need a consistent output size across a batch. Once your selection is ready, look to the right-hand side and open the Export Selected panel. If it's collapsed, just click to expand it so you can see the available settings. Inside this panel, find the size configuration. Choose the option labeled Set Size and switch the unit to pixels. Pixels give you precise control, which is perfect for digital use where exact dimensions matter. Now enter the maximum width and height you want. For example, 1200 by 800. Think of these numbers as a bounding box. Darktable will scale your image to fit within those dimensions while keeping the aspect ratio intact. That means your photo won't be stretched or squashed. If your image is wider than it is tall, it will use the width value as the limit and adjust the height proportionally. If it's taller than it is wide, it will use the height as the limit and adjust the width accordingly. Either way, the result stays true to the original composition, just smaller. This approach is great for ensuring consistency when you need images to fit specific online layouts or upload requirements. A common choice like 1200 by 800 works well for many websites, but feel free to enter whatever values match your needs. Just remember, these are maximum values, not a crop. If your photo doesn't fill both numbers exactly, that's normal. It's simply preserving the original shape. If the preview or results don't look the way you expected, no worries. Click Reset in the Export Selected panel to clear your size settings and return to defaults. You can then re-enter new dimensions and try again until everything looks right. The key is to set those pixel values thoughtfully and let Darktable handle the scaling. And that's it. By selecting your photos, opening the Export Selected panel, choosing Set Size in pixels, entering your desired width and height, and using Reset if needed, you'll get clean, consistent resized exports every time.